Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So this video had to wait until it was a little dark outside. We're going to be doing a just an overview of the knockoff Baja design lights that we went ahead and installed behind the grill on the 2021 Ram TRX. So I've done an unboxing video on the lights, and then I went ahead and did like a full install video on how I went ahead and mounted them. They kind of look like an LP9, but I guess like someone told me in the comments that the specs are very similar to an LP4 actually, but as you can see, like right up in there, they kind of look like a much smaller version of an LP9. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of get to a darker area so I can go ahead and just show you like the light output on these things, since kind of ran out of time on the install video and I didn't want to make it like too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the lights off in the garage so I can show you like how much light is actually like, you know, shown there. And then I'm gonna go and try and find like a dark street somewhere and I can go ahead and give you like, you know, a better overview. I don't really have anything to compare this to, but hopefully it kind of translates pretty well on video. So let's go ahead and get this done. Oh, and before I start, I do want to go ahead and say that these have the amber backlighting as well as the pure white LED. So I'll go ahead and show you know, both examples of that. All right, I know this probably isn't going to be a great representation, but I'm going to shine it just into the garage. Obviously, like with the TRX, it has the daytime running lights. I don't really know if you can turn those off. You see they're still kind of like lit on there anyway. So I'm just gonna kind of turn on the knockoff Bajas, and you could see that they do kind of, you know, light up the garage entirely. So they're pretty bright, you know, don't get it wrong. They just don't have like a very long range. It kind of is more like a floodlight versus like a spotlight, but as you can see, they're pretty bright. So, you know, for what they are, I mean, they're pretty solid. So again, I know this isn't the best representation, but wanted to just kind of go ahead and show you that, you know, a 10% lit garage, and then you have the lights turned on. So I'm gonna go ahead, try and find like a dark alley or road or something, you know, as sketchy as that may be, and I'll go ahead and see if I can give you guys a better representation and some outside views of these lights. So I'm just driving here now, regular headlights. I'll go ahead and flick them on real quick. You can see it's not like it's a huge difference, it's just, you know, just a little bit. You get a little bit more. You can kind of see reflection off like these signs up here. You know, it's kind of almost acting as kind of like a floodlight, an additional floodlight. So yeah, I mean, for what they are, you know, they're not bad. I wouldn't say, you know, this is anywhere in comparison to like an actual Baja Designs LP9, but I mean, for $50 a light, they're pretty sweet. So yeah, you can see I'll just flick them on and off again. You know, pretty sweet. So yeah, I know this isn't like the darkest road ever. It's kind of hard to find like a pure black, you know, no lit road. So I'm trying to find the best I can here. So let me pull down here and I could try and give you like a good demonstration, just, you know, kind of shining. Okay, so pitch black, then I'll go ahead, flick them on. So there we are. That's with the knockoff Baja Designs lights. So let me jump outside and show you guys what they look like. So this is obviously with the headlights turned off, just with the DRLs. They look pretty bright. Let me go ahead and turn those off and just show you with the amber backlight. So I mean, I love it with the amber backlighting. I think it looks super mean. Oh yeah, I'll go ahead and flick on the lights real quick so you can see it all with the lights on. Go ahead. Now we got the headlights, the DRLs. Now, once again, I'll turn on these lights so you can see them. And that's all the lights. Really cool in my opinion. Alright, just for shits and giggles, we'll turn all the lights on. Oh yeah, buddy. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Super cool. Oh yeah, she's lit up, boys. So, there you have it. Look at the whip. I got so much hate on the whip. It's fucking dope. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Alright, let me go ahead and I'll turn off the actual LED and just show it with the amber backlighting. Oh man, I think it looks so cool. I love it. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick representation of the lights. So like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next one. Later.